Hello guys, I'm Mattia Formichetti and in this video I show you how to register to our beautiful website, Vivo Vivendo Musica. So first of all, you can translate it into your own language by right-clicking the mouse button and going here, translate into, for example, English. After doing this, you can go up here, click on register and read through our terms for the registration and our privacy policy. After reading through all of that stuff, you can accept them and arrive here where you can insert your username, your email and your password. You can also take this if you want to be able to receive emails from other people, and take this if you want to receive emails from us for important news, for example. Or you can just use your social network accounts like Google, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. After doing this, you'll have to complete an anti-spam by completing this image with those parts. Okay, so now it should appear a tick here and you can click here to register. That's how you register to our website. After registering, you can enter what you want here. Thank you for your vision.